Hello and welcome to this lecture. What is a view? Views are basically virtual tables that are used to basically help simplify complex queries. They can also be used as a kind of security to protect certain records from others. So views basically are treated just like a table, so you can execute or run queries on a view just as you would on a table. You can use views to hide information or protect certain parts of a table from others to see. So you can create views from a table. The sample database, which is this DVD rental, has some views. So let's take a look at them. So we're going to expand the schema here. From the schema, if I scroll down, you see we've got 7 views here for that table, for that database. So if I click to expand, you can see these are different views. For example, we've also got notice here we've got a view called actor info. Let me click to expand that. So views basically have same characteristics as a table. So you've got columns and you can also have rows. Okay, so these are all so you can query, basically you can query a view just as you would a table. So let's quickly query this view here. We've got a view here called actor info. So let me right click and select the query tool, and it should launch the query tool shortly. And when it launches, I'm just going to quickly query this view. So you query them the same way you would query a table. So I'm going to just do a simple query here. Just select star. Star means I want all the rows and columns from that view to be returned. Select star from. You always have to use from to specify where the data is coming from. So the data is coming from the name of the view is called actor underscore info, and then place a semicolon at the end of the statement. So this is the name of the view here. If I execute it by pressing this here, it should give me an output here. Okay, so basically it tells me here 200 rows retrieved from this query. So it basically behaves the same way as a table. It's basically a virtual table. So you can run queries on views just as you would a table. If I click on this table, I've got tables here. I've also got a table called actor. Okay, and you see here I've got a view here called actor underscore info. So views are virtual tables, and they're quite useful in that you can use them to simplify complex queries. Okay, and also you can use them as a security measure to hide certain records from certain people or certain parts of the organization. So that's basically what views are. Many thanks for watching. Bye for now.